you can create a text, you can generate text to image. Okay, you can do text to image, and then you can also do video generation. Okay, all right. And so but in this case too, all right, so image and video generation are free. Okay, but it takes time, okay, before you can be able to achieve your results. All right, so this is AI video maker. All right, so that is that. And then we have the third one. The third one I call One Video AI. Okay, that's the third one. One.video AI. So this is another platform that you can access. Okay, One.video. All right, so you know there are some platforms where you can get one. All right, like OpenArt, rather, and a few others. Okay, but in this case you have to go to one platform itself. All right, so you can be able to use it. All right, so it also has its own free version that you can use on your platform. So all you have to do is go there and then you register. All right, register with them, and as soon as you register with one, they will credit you with 10 credits. Okay, they immediately enable you to earn 10 credits, and with that 10 credits you can be able to generate images for free. All right, now you can also generate video, okay, from there for free. Okay, but that you can be able to do through credits earned. All right, so there are some things you can do there to be able to get more credits. Okay, like if you subscribe in their mailing letters in your email, so if you do that, they will give you 20 credits for free, and with that 20 credits, I think that is enough, because if you want to do any video generation, that will cost you 10 coins. All right, so and for subscribing to their mailing list, they're going to give you 10 credits, so that is enough to be able to at least generate one video. All right, so and then even with the 20 credits they're going to give you, if you subscribe to their mailing list, that is enough to generate 2 videos. And then you can also you can, when you download the app, they also give you, download the app on your phone, on your device, they also give you another 20 credits. That's another 20 video, I mean 2 videos you can generate with the free credits that they are offering you. All right, so you can generate image and videos for free on one platform. So but the issue there is that the image generation is quick though, but it's not all that good. Okay, it's not all that good. Of course you're going to have a video generation too, but that takes time. It will take a while. All right, then the next one we're going to talk about is called the Vidnos AI. The Vidnos AI, that is another platform you can harness for free. Vidnos AI, see it's right there. All right, so Vidnos AI is another platform you can harness, and in this case too you have to register with them. All right, but I actually love this one of all these platforms that you can work with for free.